What's up? Look at this. All new cubicles. Even desks will look. Look at this. Monitors. Let's check this. Mommy and office. Oh, so good. Not asshole anymore. Look at this. Mail, copier, sweet. That's new. So they're remodeling a little bit. Like nice chairs. I think it's more cubicles right now. All right. So here's also like nice chairs and TV. So sometimes they listening what I'm trying to help. Look at this. And clean, definitely clean. Let's see. Microwave. New. Ta-da! Vending machine. Sweet. Get rid of that nonsense up front. Very nice. Okay, guys. Have a great holiday. Bye.